Now, what did I tell you about drawing on my floors? You're gonna mess up my $500 abandoned rug.
It's not my fault. Patricia made me come here today. I'm supposed to be watching cartoons right now.
Like I said, you are responsible for your actions regardless of how many voices you have going on inside of your head.
Look. I drew a spaceship.
Would anybody else like tea?
I would love some. I could certainly use a good company and conversation.
Orwell, good to see you. I do not often get this pleasure.
Oh, the pleasure is all mine. I do love a good cup of tea.
Splendid, isn't it?
You know tea was invented.
No, do tell.
The history of tea dates back to ancient China, almost 5,000 years ago. According to legend, Emperor Shang Yang discovered tea when leaves from a wild tree flew into his pot of boiling water. He was immediately interested in the resulting growth and drank some. Legend says that the emperor described a warm feeling as he drank the intriguing brew, as if the liquid was investigating every part of his body.
Bravo. Now I'd like to investigate a little bit about your body and what goes on in it, if you don't mind.
Oh, Mr. Lecter, you're a sneaky one, aren't you? What did I tell you? Any real discussions about the Horde need to go through me.
You know what you remind me of, with your uppity attitude and pretentious spirit. You come across as someone who is truly broken. You don't allow the others to express themselves or to speak upon anything, thus making this appointment useless.
Well, sir, there's certainly no need to get rude. You have a good day.
So how was your childhood like, Patty Pooh? Or should I say Kevin Wendell Crumb?
I need you to stop right now. Mr. Lecter, if you don't want to lose your license and everything, I suggest that you...
Personalities are a defense mechanism to avoid an ugly and scary truth. You can't actually look yourself into the mirror and face these ugly horrors.
Now just wait
and the
goddamn minute.
is
You
that
shut
you
your mouth, you son of a...
Okay. You are traumatized by your father's abuse and neglect toward your mother, that you repeat the same actions.
I need you to stop it right now before the beast comes out. Do you understand? None of us can help. Okay, guys. Listen. He's just trying to help out. He didn't really mean any harm. What did he say about my mommy? Nothing.
Well,
Just relax.
Tell him.
I need you to... Listen, asshole. I need you to stop right now. You understand? I'm warning you.
So with whom do I have the pleasure of speaking with? Is this Barry? Oh, no. This cannot be Barry. Barry doesn't have the guts to talk to me that way. This might be the courageous Dennis.
Nah, man. This is Barry.
Come on, Dennis. Now, come on. You are a man of many talents, but acting surely isn't one of them. Now, excuse me for my harsh words. It's the only way I can get you out. Now, please sit down and I'll explain.
This better be good.
So why is it that a man as courageous as yourself and viewed highly amongst the others, afraid to talk to me? Surely you're as important as the rest of them.
I'm not afraid to talk to you. I just don't like you, that's all.
Oh, you don't like me? Or you don't like what I can find out about you? See, I think you're very well aware of what I'm capable of doing. And do you want to know how I know?
How?
Because you're gifted like me, Dennis. You just have some scary skeletons in the closet, don't you? See, the issue is that you've never fully recovered and healed from these childhood traumas, therefore allowing them to fester and to manifest themselves into their own 30-person reality.
Now that seems like a reach.
Stay with me, Dennis.
Don't want to. Leave me alone.
It's okay. Just trust me. Stay with me. You got this. Now be honest with yourself. Do you truly feel like you're over that pain?
No.
You get flashbacks, don't you, Dennis? You get flashbacks and you don't like it.
I hate it. I fucking hate it.
Oh, yes. Yes, you do. You hate it. Every time you go to sleep, you see these images. Every time you take a bite out of a home-style meal, the type that your mother would make when your father would pass out. And every time that you see your kid, because you're afraid of becoming that person, but deep down inside, you know you are.
I'm not. And really, I mean, he's not. He's one hell of a guy. Yeah, like he's so cool. It's quite ghastly to bombard clients with such antagonizing and misleading statements. This has to be a violation of your practice.
The psychological practice is bullshit. The capitalist way of controlling your mind, and no real growth happens. So stay with me, damn it, Dennis!
I don't want to. Leave me alone.
You're mad. And you should be. You want revenge, and you can see it right through your pupils.
Okay. Yeah.
And you know you've been destructive, haven't you?
Yeah.
And as a father of a daughter, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Okay. Okay, yeah. I'm a piece of shit. There. You happy? No, you're not. Sweetie, it's okay.
Damn it, Dennis.
No, I don't.
Say it.
I don't want.
This is a safe zone, Dennis. Say it. Do it.
Please, no. I enjoy inflicting sexual and physical harm on boys and girls.
Well, don't retreat now. Continue.
Yeah, dude, seriously? I know you're like a fucking like doctor or whatever, bro, but like, fuck off, bro. Seriously. It's just, these boys, they don't mean any harm. It's just, things just tend to happen. You know, boys will be boys. It's expected when a child deals with so much trauma. So, cat's out the bag. What can we do to fix it?
I'll show you. See, unfortunately, this is not a safe place for pedophiles. You, sir, do not deserve recovery.
You won't get away with
This is taking too long. This is what I get for going cheap. I have 4 beers in the stove and a dinner party at 8:30. So I have to speed this up a little bit.
Stop, please. This hurts. Unhand me this instant. The beast is coming.
Exhilarating.
So I heard you came into quite the settlement.
$3.5 billion to be exact.
You should have came to me. I would have got you more.
Oh, maybe I should have.
Well, you do look splendid with those diamonds and fur.
Why, thank you. I just got this coat today.
Oh, somebody went to Tiffany's.
Know it, girl.
Since you're on a shopping spree, do stop by my dealership. I'll put you into a Porsche.
Oh, car dealership.
You know, if this food doesn't come out soon, I might have to take a bite out of you.
Thank you, Dr. Lecter.
You're quite welcome. Bon appetit.
This meat is tender.
Goodness, this is so delicious.
You must tell us your recipe.
If I told you, I'd have to kill you.